Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 15th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar, really the euro dollar, and right across the board, the dollar pairs had a very nice entry today. Nice 1, 2, 3 waves up, right to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside. This right here is the trade that I called out in my members group along with the euro dollar today. We got in the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and there was also a shout out on the US dollar CAD to the long side. So definitely some very nice little trades, especially for a Monday. Now we are sitting at the 50% Fibonacci retracement on the daily. I still think this possibly is an area of resistance. Maybe we will get a move to the upside until we actually go up and break a significant structure, which for me is right here. I am still looking for sorts because I still think it could possibly make another lower high and could possibly just keep on going down. If it goes up and breaks structure, that will turn me into a buyer. Otherwise, I'm still looking for sells at the end of three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the corner down here on the left. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.